everyone, welcome to my channel Payel's Mathematics class. I hope all of you are good and healthy. Today I will discuss about the rational numbers, and the operations on rational numbers. In the previous video, I already done up to find the equivalent rational numbers. Today I will discuss about the operations on rational number. So let P by Q and R by Q are two rational numbers. When we put one summation sign between them, see, we have to calculate the LCM of the denominators. Here the denominators are the same, Q and Q. So LCM of these two denominators will equals to Q. Then we will put the P and R simply in this way, P plus E. Okay, done. This one is the first case. Now I will discuss about the case where the denominators are not same. Let P by Q and R by S are two numbers, rational numbers, where the denominators are not same. Then P by Q plus R by S. To get the result, we have to find the LCM of Q and S. All of you know how we can find the LCMs of the two terms, Q and S. Then S will be multiplied by P, PS, plus Q will be multiplied by R. Then what will happen? RQ. In this way, we can find the sum of two rational numbers. Okay. Now, I will put examples of two cases. Okay. At 1 by 3 and 4 by 3 are two rational numbers where the denominator are same. Then, after applying the summation, what we will get? See, the LCM is equals to 3. After that, 1 plus 4 equals to, we will get the resultant 5 by 3. Now we will put summation of two rational numbers where the denominators are not same. See, we already take two numbers 5 by 3 and 4 by 3. Now I will apply the summation about these two numbers. LCM of 3, 4 is equals to 3 into 4, 12. Okay, then what will happen? 12. After that, 4 into 5 plus 3 into 3, 20 plus 9 by 12. Then 29 by 12 we will get. In the next videos, I will discuss about the operations of rational number and its different cases and the properties of operation. I will discuss here. So thank you. If you like it, please like and share, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.